In this video I am going to show you how to get 4000 watch hours within 2 weeks. So this is second video of how to increase your watch hours. If you haven't watched my first video, here is the link. Now you can see in top right hand corner with video card, and I put them link in the description below. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure click that subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified my future videos. Let's jump into it. First go to your Chrome browser, and now you can go to profile icon here, and once you get this page you can go to down and you can see here add. Just click on that. So you will get this page. Then you can see here sign in and continue without an account. So you have to click second one, continue without an account. Then you will get this page. So here you have to give the name, any kind of name you can give, and if you want to create shortcut for the desktop you can keep this one. So I don't want, that's why I remove it. Give any name and just click on done. So you will get new page. Now what you have to do, just type here YouTube and search. You can go to first link over here, go to your YouTube channel and now go to playlist. So first you have to create one playlist, and after that you can go to your playlist. So I choose this one. So here is, I have 12 videos, so I just play this one. And now what you have to do, mute the video to avoid background noise, and now go to setting icon and change the quality of the videos to run past your videos. Now come up over here, duplicate tabs 10 times or more, and remember only watch less than 1 hour, so YouTube want to take the trick. So after you watching your videos, come over to profile icon again and go to add again. So you will create new page again and do the same thing. So after you watch that old one, you can delete it. So that's how you get 4000 watch hours within 2 weeks. So if you want to see the result, go to your monetization app after 2 days, because the YouTube data process in 2 days delay process the real time. That's all. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified my future videos. Like, comment and share. Thank you.